Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to install iOS launcher on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, just open the Google Play Store and in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app. Then tap on open. Now just select while using the app and tap on allow. Now just tap on set as default and tap on OK. From here, just select iOS launcher. Then tap on OK. Now, as you can see, we have successfully installed the iOS launcher on our smartphone. Now, from here, you can add widgets to your home screen. And this is how you can install iOS launcher on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.